For a new investor, understanding the basics of finance is the first step towards making informed decisions in the stock market and beyond. Why, you ask? Well, finance is the lifeblood of the economy, providing the resources needed for businesses to grow and for individuals to manage their personal wealth. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from budgeting and investing to banking and insurance. This video will introduce you to the fundamental concepts of finance, focusing on its importance and the interpretation of financial statements. Let's talk about the essence of finance. At its core, finance is about managing money. Whether it's for an individual, a small business, or a large corporation, finance involves deciding how to allocate resources among various options to achieve desired outcomes. These outcomes could range from saving for retirement, funding a new business venture, or expanding a company's operations. Let's understand with an example in personal budgeting. Consider a family planning their monthly budget. They allocate their income to various needs: rent, groceries, savings, and perhaps a little towards a mutual fund investment. This process is the essence of personal finance, ensuring that they live within their means while also securing their future financially. Well, that was an easy one. But what about corporate finance? Do we have similar examples in that? Well, Reliance Industries Limited, one of India's largest companies, manages its finances on a much larger scale. It must decide how to invest its profits, whether in new projects, paying dividends to shareholders, or buying back shares. These decisions impact the company's growth and the return on investment for its shareholders. Let's begin with financial statements. These statements are formal records of the financial activities and position of a business, individual, or other entity. For investors in the Indian stock market, understanding these documents is crucial for making informed decisions. Next is the balance sheet. This statement provides a snapshot of a company's financial condition at a specific point in time. It lists assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity. For instance, Tata Motors' balance sheet will show its vehicles, factories, and cash as assets, and any loans or debts as liabilities. What is income statement? Also known as the profit and loss statement, it shows the company's revenues, expenses, and profits over a period. Analyzing the income statement of Infosys, for example, can reveal how profitable the company's IT services are. Hey, are you making notes for the same? Make sure to make a handwritten one. Call it a rough class copy. I shall suggest you to transfer that to a fair copy after a revision, without looking into the current note. This process will ingrain the concepts into your brain. Hey, just a suggestion. Try it for a week and tell me if you feel any difference. Let's dive in. So, what is a cash flow statement? This statement shows how changes in the balance sheet and income affect cash and cash equivalents. It breaks the analysis down to operating, investing, and financing activities. For a company like Bharti Airtel, this could detail cash inflows from subscribers and outflows for network upgrades. In India, the importance of finance cannot be overstated, especially with the country's growing economy and expanding stock market. For businesses, efficient financial management means better investment opportunities and sustainable growth. For individuals, it means smarter investment choices in stocks, mutual funds, and other instruments. The Indian stock market, with exchanges like the Bombay Stock Exchange and the National Stock Exchange, offers a platform for investors to buy shares in companies they believe will grow in value. Understanding finance helps investors analyze which companies are financially healthy and likely to offer good returns on investment. So, finance serves as a crucial tool for individuals and businesses alike, enabling better decision-making and fostering economic growth. For new investors in India, starting with a solid understanding of financial principles and how to read financial statements lays the groundwork for success in the stock market. As you become more familiar with these concepts, you'll be better equipped to analyze companies and make informed investment decisions. Click here to move to the next lecture. It discusses the fundamentals of the stock market. Remember, the journey to financial literacy is ongoing. Keep learning, stay informed about market trends, and consult with financial advisors or train as one.